top meme coins Dogecoin, Pepe fall, but CatSlap continues to rally. While top meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe are in the red, CatSlap investors continue to turn profits. CatSlap token hit a new all-time high, ATH, of $0.0069 and a market cap of $62 million on Sunday, and it's now approaching another period of gains. The price continues to trade inside a healthy chart pattern, incrementally breaking resistance levels and turning them into supports. After retracing to a support of $0.0038, $SLAP has shown considerable demand, reclaiming $0.0054 as advised to create another ATH. If you had invested $1,000 when CatSlap launched, that would be worth over $46,000 at today's price. But prudent traders are undoubtedly holding their bags for a much fatter profit as more people learn about this project. The incremental pullbacks and subsequent recoveries are a healthy sign for the project's future. Many new tokens do not recover after an initial sell-off, so the perseverance of the CatSlap community indicates that this could continue growing long-term. While every top 10 meme coin is red today, CatSlap investors remain eager to invest. This sets a bullish precedent for what could happen once the market turns green again. And people are taking note. The high-profile Telegram channel trending, ETH/SOL, had CatSlap as the most popular cryptocurrency yesterday. The team also celebrated the token reaching over 2,000 holders on Sorday. CatSlap has received an audit from Solid Proof, which found no serious issues, and it has also received flawless audits from DEX screeners Go Plus Security and Quick Intel. That means there's no need to worry about a rug pull. As such, CatSlap is quickly becoming a fan favorite, with over 9K followers on its X account and another 600 on its Telegram. To meet global demand, the CatSlap admins have added Telegram channels for Chinese, German, and Korean users. Smart money buys flood in his $SLAP the next Popcat or Mog coin. Smart money is making huge purchases early on in CatSlap's journey. One deep-pocketed investor made a purchase worth approximately $60,000 on Saturday. If this demand keeps coming, CatSlap is well on its way to a $100 million market cap, and then investors will begin eyeing what's next, such as flipping Popcat or Mog coin. Whether CatSlap becomes the next billion-dollar cat coin remains to be seen, but its early growth indicates that many traders are confident. Can $SLAP 100x from here? While CatSlap has already provided massive gains to investors, there's still plenty of room for growth. It currently holds a market cap of $50 million, which is a drop in the ocean compared to the meme coin sector's $120 billion valuation. And dog-themed meme coins are sold last cycle. It's all about cats now. Investors continue to show demand for cat-themed meme coins. The largest, Popcat, has booked an 8,800% gain in the past 365 days. Popcat is a Solana-based token, so let's compare it to Solana's largest dog-themed token, Bonk. In the same window, Bonk is up 963%. Not bad, but not close to the gains that cat coins provide. Still, the cat-themed meta remains significantly underrepresented, with a $5.6 billion market cap. In comparison, the dog coin sector is worth $92 billion. It's clear which one has the most potential. And considering the CatSlap is going viral and worth just $50 million right now, there's every chance that this will be the biggest runner next year. It might even surpass Popcat's current market cap thanks to the expected bullish market conditions. Yet, CatSlap is not just competing on its funny cat image. It also has a gamified experience, CatSlap Slapometer, which provides a fun and enjoyable outlook for its community. There are also rumors that deeper gamification is coming. Popcat doesn't have play to earn. Compound your gains with CatSlap's 40% staking APY. Popcat has risen over 8,800% in the past year, but if you could have staked your tokens at a 40% APY, you'd have notched a return above 12,300%. That would be nice, wouldn't it? And that's exactly what CatSlap is enabling. Unlike Popcat and most other meme coins, CatSlap lets you stake your tokens to earn passive rewards over time. The staking APY sits at 40% today. Prominent crypto analyst Claybro agrees this project has all the makings of a 100x meme coin or potentially 140x for those who stake their $SLAP. CatSlap could be hours away from its next explosive breakout. Traders, including Claybro, are also closely watching a countdown timer on the project's website for a major announcement, which many hope involves a Tier 1 exchange listing. But for now, investors can buy CatSlap from decentralized exchanges or directly from the Best Wallet app. Visit the upcoming tokens section to make your purchase.